What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I did that dice tower print for my friend, and I showed you the hole that was in the wing. There's another little divot. And I was wondering, I went back and looked at the model, and it didn't have a dragon. The model in the slicer didn't have a hole that I could see in the wing. So I printed it again, and the same thing happened. And like I only did that part of the wing just to test it. And then I went back and looked at the description in the on Thingiverse, and the description actually says battle damaged, which I don't know. In my opinion, one little hole in a wing. I don't know if that was on purpose. I guess when he was doing it, I don't know if he just called it battle damage because he couldn't fix that one part or not. I had no idea. But I didn't see that because I didn't read the description. My friend just sent over the STL and said, "Hey, can you print this for me?" There was no reason for me to read the description. Thought maybe he did. Neither of us did, but it said battle damaged. So his daughter didn't like it because it had the hole. So I said, give it back to me, and I will try to clean it up with my 3D pen. And I did, but looks like garbage. You can see that. So I went back and I followed a couple of links from, this was a remake, so I went back and I actually found the original dragon. The modeler had it as a separate STL. And what I did was I printed the dice tower, which is another separate STL, by itself. And I'm going to glue that together. But as a test run, I printed a small part of the tower and a test dragon. The reason it became a test dragon is because I broke a piece of the leg off, but glued it back together and fixed it. You can see it. Let me get this one out of the way. You can see it right there, that line. And I didn't want to give that to him like that. Also, if you look close, you can see, if I don't hit the camera, there is glue in there. Looks kind of sloppy. I don't like that. But I just wanted to test to see how it would fit. And that's kind of messy there from glue. So definitely need to, you can see that, definitely need to get one of those, I guess it's like a needle kind of applicator that goes on top of the CA tube or CA bottle when I'm putting this together. So that's why this hasn't gone together yet. But that's going to sit up like that and should be pretty awesome. Right? What's also weird is this color is gray and this color is gray. This is from Elegoo. This is from Sunlu, I believe. Let me take a look. Yeah, it doesn't say on the roll, but either way, you can see the color difference. This one is a lot darker. I mean, I don't have a preference for either one. I don't know that his daughter will notice a difference. In my opinion, this is a little more silver, but I'm gonna get that glued up when the CA arrives and get it back to him. But this dragon on this tower was remodeled from this original, which looks pretty cool in my opinion. So once it's all glued together, I will put a picture in here and show you the end result. Stay tuned. All right, and here is the finished product. I think it turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button if you haven't already. It is much appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.